Hi everybody. So I have some Aliexpress stuff to share with you. And this is how this box came. I hope everybody's okay in here. Yeah, there are some dolls and various items. Okay. So, fingers crossed we don't have anybody mashed in here. Alright, so let's check out the blonde chick on the top. Alright, so she, I have to blame my sister Tapping Flamingo, Terry at Tapping Flamingo, for this purchase because she found some dolls at some really good prices, and I had told myself I wasn't going to get any more. And she was getting some. She's got one for herself and one for her, one of her granddaughters as a gift. And I helped her order them, and then I was like, you know what? I want a couple of these too. So this gal actually has a specific purpose. Ooh, look at that static electricity. Woo! She is going to be a, what do you call it? A Moonbeam 2.0. Okay, so my Moonbeam doll that I customized, and I had her, she was a grand prize for our virtual Blythe retreat that we had in September. This gal has a similar face and makeup and everything. Same color hair. It's just hers is straight versus wavy, and she has bangs. So I thought she would make a really good little Moonbeam hippie chick. Of course, she's got the pink eyes, the side gray, front blue, and side brown. But I will be tucking her away for future, what do you call it, future customization, and that's my thoughts. She's going to be another Moonbeam. I really liked how Moonbeam turned out, and so she will turn into a flower child at some point. Let's see what else is in here. Alright, so here's a gal that actually, they call her like partially customized, I guess you would say. And again, really good price. The prices have been going up, so when I see them on a good price, for a good price, I have been getting them. And this girl just spoke to me. She said, "Buy me, yo lady." So she already has eyebrows. And she is a matte finished doll, and her hair is an unusual, like, I guess you'd call this maybe honey colored or amber colored, like a dark honey. So anyway, I just thought she was cute. She has a side part, really long, unusual colored hair. And like I said, she has those eyebrows. It looks like she's got pink eyeshadow. And she has the typical eye chips. So I will probably be doing some light customizing on her. I just thought she was cute. So I got her. I liked her, so I got her. Alright, so those two chickos over there. Alright, what else? Here are their hands. Oh, and I got a body. So this is one of those bods that has, they're a little bit smaller. They're a smaller chested bod. And I have a few dolls that I have put these smaller bodies on, and I really like them. They just look so cute. And this was on sale. It wasn't like killer cheap, but it was a few dollars off than what they typically charge. So I was like, and I've been doing some customizing lately, so someone will get this body. I don't know who. This girl might get it. She might be a good candidate for this bod. So somebody at some time will get this little body. All right. I wish they let you order these dolls. In fact, they might. I wonder if you ask them if they would do that, like switch out to that. I know most of them, at least from what my experience is, if you ask them to switch out for the traditional Takara or even the Leica body, they will usually do that for you if you ask them. And then, is this it? Okay. So one more dolly. Again, this is one of those ones that was on sale. I have been working on a Wednesday Addams doll. And she's turning out cute, but I might want to do another Wednesday Addams, so that's why I got this Chico. Because she basically is the same doll I used for my Wednesday Addams doll that I'm working on. And, again, well priced. Well, I'm happy to say, too, that even though the box was in terrible shape, the doll seemed to survive, thank goodness. So, let us see. Well, her hair is very soft. Let's see. Come on, try to get the pull cord here. If I can get a hold of it. Alright, so those are her side brown, front pink, side gray, front blue. Same old, same old. Really wish the fakies, I mean, you can change them out and I am customizing, but back in the day, a couple of years ago when I was buying fake dolls, you got purple chips, you know, there was more variety in the eye chips. They seem to all have the same color of eye chips these days. So, yeah, so that's what I got. I got 3 dollies, a set of hands that I think went with her. Yeah, because this, you can see this gal's quite a bit lighter skin tone than her. And then this bod and the dark-haired doll. So, that's what I got in AliExpress mail today. Alright, so you guys, which of the 3 dolls is your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. As usual, please give this a thumbs up. Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and consider maybe sharing this channel with some dolly friends of yours. Have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.